things because it makes you feel real confident. You do feel good and nice when you have fresh skin, when you aren't sweaty, itchy or red or anything like that. So just a bit of history as well, just in case because we're talking about skin. I need to give you a brief history of my skin because I used to have very irritable skin. It was very red all the time, so like you can still see a tiny bit. All my cheeks were so red, like red raw, itchy, scratchy, real sensitive. When I was a swimmer, obviously I was in chlorine for like 10 years, okay, like 10 years, dry skin, really bad under eyes. It's kind of like my area that will be always difficult because when we used to go on swim camps in the sun, I used to wear goggles and all my skin burned here when I was like a bit younger, for like 4 years every time I did these camps. So I've got really sensitive under eye skin. Cheeks have got better, but yeah, that was my skin history. Really irritable, very sensitive, very red. I thought I had rosacea at one point where my cheeks were constantly red, and I was pretty self-conscious because if I go to the gym and I train, I would purely be this colour. Like, this would be the colour of my face. And I was really self-conscious of it. So probably about 6 months ago is when I really started to pay attention to my skincare routine. And now I'm going to take you through it. I used makeup wipes all my life and they really irritated my skin without me even realising, like scrubbing your makeup off and being quite like forceful on your skin when you should be quite gentle. Now I started using the Bioderma Sensibo. Basically it's a very nice, sensitive, gentle makeup remover. Now all you need to do is get yourself some cotton pads and simply, I don't actually have anything on, but I do this anyway at the end of the day just to get off any like bacteria, grease, grime, whatever you want to call it, because there will be some crap on my face. See, look at that, for putting nothing on my face all day. Literally, I'm obsessed with Pixie. Use a tiny little bit, and then I guess like try and avoid the eye area a little bit. You really don't want to get in your eye because it stings like an absolute bitch. Been there, done that. So I will do this in circular motions for probably up to a minute because I always think if you just put it on your face and then wash it off, has it really done anything? I don't know. I don't think so, but I would try and keep it on your face for around a minute doing circular motions, and then I'm just going to wash it off again. So, cleansing done, and then grab a towel and then just pat your skin dry. Okay, cleanser is done. So my face looks a little bit. So the first product is niacinamide and zinc 1%. Now this is a product that this was the first product I used actually, and it is one that I always will use. It's probably one of the most popular ones on the Ordinary website, and from what I've seen from YouTubers, it's an antioxidant, so it sits so nice on your skin. It actually feels like you have nothing on. Avoid your eye area as well, just as a pre-warning again. I don't want to get anybody blinded. Oh, feels really fresh on your face. So that is the first one, is the EUK 134 0.1%, and it pretty much works in the same way as your niacinamide and zinc, except it's kind of got an exfoliating feel to it. So when I actually put it on my face and I rub it in, it's really thin. I have 2 burn marks under here that I've had since I was like 14 years old because of swimming. This I used to burn under my goggle lines on swim camps, and it like blistered like all up here. So that's always been like a struggle area, and when I swam until I was 18, it was like the constant wearing of goggles. I swear it's done something to my face. Not to get in your eye because it really stings, but the caffeine solution is amazing for under eye puffiness, for dark circles, which is me, and thin skin, like thin under eye skin. So it's something that I am sticking out with, I am going to use and just see how I get on with. So that is my under eyes. Now